Today I'm going to show you how to add or remove desktop icons in Windows 11. First, let's add icons to your desktop. Start by right-clicking on any blank space on your desktop. From there, the menu opens like Personalize. This will open the personalization settings. Once you're there, look for Themes. Click on it. Scroll down again and you'll find Desktop Icon Settings right here. Click on that option. A new window will pop up showing different icons like computer, user, files, network, etc., etc. If you want to add the computer icon, check computer. If you want to add other icons, user, files, network, control panel, recycle bin, click on those. Then after you're done, click on apply, and then you should be good to go. Next, if you want to remove any icons from desktop, the process is just as simple. Click on Personalize once again, navigate down to Themes, and click on Desktop Icon Settings. Now in that window, it opens another window. And this time you're just going to uncheck the boxes. After unchecking the boxes for the icons you don't need, click on Apply, and click on OK. And there you have it. The icons will now be removed from your desktop. Thank you very much.